So hello guys, today we're playing Roblox Feather Family. As you can see, I have a flock. Let me invite some players for a minute, okay? I'll be right back. So guys, I got my first member. Let me teleport to him so he can say hi to you. I told the chickadee to say hi, so let's see what he will spawn now. Bro, yo there. Oh! So my flock isn't getting any members, so I'm gonna delete it. Bro is disbanded. So guys, I joined. I didn't realize it was already a royal, so let's see what this thing has. Oh, wow! Why is it so filly? Why is it so fill? So I realized my queen was like a male. A literal male. Yes, a literal male. What do you mean by, is there another flock? Okay, so those jokes from that flock are kind of cringe. So I left it. Let me join another one. School. I'm gonna join school. Alright, so what is it today? What? Do you know what? Let me just put something on the board. This is gonna be a big prank. Holy Among Us, we're going on a field trip. Okay, so where the heck are we going? So you have to follow these guys? Okay, I'm gonna cut when we're there. By the way, this Atlantic Puffin is my teacher. Seriously, we're going to heaven? We are going to heaven, great. So we're here, guys, we're here at heaven. I made my nest here. We are here, we are at the top. Bro made his base here. By the way, bye guys, make sure to like and subscribe.